name is Hin. I'm 8 years old. I am from Johan Speaking Academy, Setia. Today, I'm super excited to unbox a toy called Family Catimino. This is a very popular puzzle game based on shapes. It's great because you can play alone or challenge a friend, making it fun and challenging for players 3 years old and above. So, what makes it special? Family Catimino is an educational board game that helps children understand the basic concepts of geometry while having fun. The game is designed so both kids and adults can enjoy it together without any problems. Now, let's see what's inside the box. Family Catimino comes with a wooden game board, sixteen playing blocks that comes in shapes, dividers to separate sections, playing card guide the game difficulty, an instruction book. How do we play? First, pick a playing card. Then, place the dividers. Next, fill your section with the right blocks. Whoever completes first wins. My mother bought it for me online. I have been enjoying it ever since. I rate this game a 9 out of 10 because it's fun. But sometimes it takes some bit of time to complete. Still, it's a great puzzle game to challenge your brain. I highly recommend you to try out Family Catimino if you love puzzle games. Thank you.
Your voice